Yo, what's going on, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach, teaching you the best online money-making strategies. And today, I want to share with you my top 5 favorite ways to earn free Bitcoin. Now, I need you to stick with me all the way through this entire video for one important reason. And the reason actually that I wanted to share with you why you should be earning Bitcoin right now, even instead of the US dollar or free PayPal cash, whatever type of money you enjoy to earn. You need to invest your time in Bitcoin right now, you guys, because there's some very good financial experts that are telling everyone that it's a great time to buy Bitcoin, and this has to do with the inflation of the US dollar. Now, I'm not trying to scare everybody. I hope everybody is well at home and they're safe right now, and that nothing bad is happening in their life. But if you have some time right now and you're sitting at home, what I ultimately recommend that you do is that you spend some time earning free Bitcoin. And now this is my top 5 favorite ways to earn free Bitcoin, my personal favorite, and I want to share this with you today. We're going to make it quick, and I want to get directly straight to the point so we don't waste anybody's time, so that you can put more money in your pocket. Now, real quickly here, before we get too deep into this video, I wanted to make a point of showing you, one of the resources that I've been using that's talking about this and why it's so important that you invest your money, any extra money that you have, in Bitcoin. You guys, we're talking about even the stimulus check that you're possibly going to be receiving from the US government. If you are getting money from them, Robert Kiyosaki himself, if you're not familiar with who that is, we're going to take a look at that in just a second here, but he's saying invest that money into Bitcoin to help protect yourself against inflation of the US dollar. So let's just look at this article real quickly right here. Rich Dad Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki, dollar is dying, buy Bitcoin. And we're on bitcoin.com right now, news.bitcoin.com. I found this website on the front page of Yahoo, and it brought me over here. And I know who Robert Kiyosaki is because I spent a lot of time in my younger days reading his books, especially this one right here down at the bottom. If you have not read this book, I highly recommend that you pick up a copy of this book. It changed my life, and it will change yours as well. So look at this right here. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, the best-selling book with 32 million copies sold, has been saying that the US dollar is a scam and people should buy Bitcoin. Now, that being said, I want to jump back up just a little bit here, and let's show you his exact tweet, you guys. This was on April 4th at 9:48 a.m. in Phoenix, Arizona. He tweets, "Death of the dollar. People desperate for money. Very sad. If government gives you free money, take it. Spend it wisely. Do not save. Buy gold, silver, Bitcoin. Dollar is dying. Silver is $20. Best buy for future security. Everyone can afford $20, especially with free fake money." Now, he's talking about fake money, and that's referring to the US dollar, and that's because they're pumping and printing so much money into the economy right now that it is inflating the US dollar, and he's saying to buy Bitcoin. Now, with all that being said, I want to show you exactly where to get started buying and selling Bitcoin, where to hold it. I'm going to show you how to get educated on Bitcoin and how to actually get paid up to $166 worth of free cryptocurrency. And I'm also going to show you 4 other of my top favorite ways to earn free Bitcoin. And like I said, a lot of these work almost completely on autopilot in the background, earning you money. Alrighty, everyone. So let's go ahead and get started with the exciting portion of this video, which is actually how to earn your free cryptocurrency. Now, first things first, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a Coinbase account. Now, if you're not familiar with what Coinbase is, it's basically a crypto wallet. This is where you buy and sell and hold all of your cryptocurrency. Coinbase is one of the easiest places to buy, sell, and manage all of your cryptocurrencies. I highly recommend these guys. There are other crypto wallets on the internet, but these guys are, an industry leader. And I don't want to try to sell you on this too much, but they have served over 30 million different customers. They work in 102 different countries that are supported, and they've done over $150 billion in cryptocurrency exchange. So, and then they have all kinds of great security features and stuff like that. But I use these guys, highly recommend these guys. Now, the next portion that I want to discuss about Coinbase here is that this is really cool, because if you're not familiar with cryptocurrency, you don't know how it works, you don't know how to buy, sell, and actually trade it, these guys will actually pay you up to $166 worth of crypto to actually learn about cryptocurrency, and they'll deposit that directly into your Coinbase wallet right here on their very own platform. And so if you want to get signed up for this, you simply create your account. You're going to click on Start Earning, and then they will eventually send you an invitation. Now, coming in at our number 5 spot for my top 5 free methods to earn free Bitcoin is ES Faucets. And I really like these guys. It's very, very simple. Let's dive straight into this. Now, when you arrive here at this website, you're going to have to create an account. And once you've created your account and you've logged in, you're simply going to click on Dashboard right here. It's going to bring you over to your own member dashboard. And now once you arrive here, what you want to focus your attention on to start earning free Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is simply just coming down the page right here to all of these that you see right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12 different cryptocurrencies that you can claim for free simply by just clicking a link. Now you're probably wondering, why would they pay me to just click a link on a web page and pay me free cryptocurrency for that? Well, the reason is, you guys, is because they have a lot of advertising on this website. What you'll notice is that there's some pop-ups and stuff. Sometimes it's a little bit annoying, but that's the reason that they can pay you free cryptocurrency, because every time you come back here, you're getting hit with some ads. So you can also do this on your phone as well. They have a mobile applications for every single one of these that you see right here. You can download the mobile app and do this on your mobile devices as well. But how you do this is you focus your attention on these. For example, Bitcoin right here, if we click on View and you click on Faucet, it's going to bring you over to this page right here. Now they have some stuff up here at the top that talks about all their different bonuses, which is important as well. But for the significance of this video, what you want to focus your attention on is right here where it says, click here to claim. You're gonna click on this, and then you're gonna click that I'm not a robot, and then you're going to click verify. And you'll see that little claiming thing, and then it said claim complete. And now you can see I've earned 1.1392 and so on Satoshi, right? Satoshi is a fraction of Bitcoin. So same thing, just a small fraction of it. And so you have your own wallet on here, and you can do this with every single one of these different cryptocurrencies that are located on here. There's tons of different ways to earn even more free cryptocurrency by taking surveys, clicking on different links, watching videos and stuff like that. You can investigate those, but this is my number 1 free favorite way to earn cryptocurrency on this website, just because it's so simple. And now coming in at our number 4 spot, you guys, is Feature Points. These guys are highly recommended. If we look at this over in the Google Play Store, you can see it's been rated 4 stars. 115,000 people have reviewed this application. So 4 stars, that's very, very good. If you're wondering what does this do, if we jump back over to their website right here, so you can do this on an actual desktop computer, tablet, Android devices, iOS devices. They have applications for that. And you can download those. But for the purpose of this video, I want to show you exactly what you're doing on this website. So you can be completing surveys, giving your opinion, getting points that way. And you can also do different offers that they have. They have cashback offers, because you can be doing all kinds of different shopping on here as well. You can download different applications. What's really cool about that is a lot of times it's paid applications that you would normally pay for, you can get for free. You can try these out. And then after you've tried them out for a certain period of time, if you don't like them, you can delete them, but you're going to get points for that as well. And then you can also get points for sharing this application with your friends about, how much you like it and how you're earning money on here. And you earn up to 50% of all of the activity that they're doing on this application as well. And you're probably wondering, well, why would you show me this application? Well, for the sole purpose that you can actually cash out for Bitcoin right here. So you can cash out gift cards, you can get actual cash, will pay you PayPal or Visa gift cards, but you can also cash out and get Bitcoins. For every 6,000 points that you have, they're gonna pay you $10 in United States dollar Bitcoin, right? So every 6,000 points equals $10 worth of Bitcoin, and you can send this straight to your Coinbase account. So again, this is why it's so important that you get your Coinbase account established. And now coming in at our number 3 spot right here, we have this application called Bituro, and it's available in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. If we actually check it out over here in the Google Play Store, you can see it's been rated by 3,692 people, 4 stars, breaking into that 5th star right here. So people absolutely loving this application. It's very simple, very reputable, and it's a great way to earn free Bitcoin. So how do you get paid? Well, you get paid on this application earning PayPal Cash, free Bitcoins, Ethereum, Ethereum tokens or gift cards for simply just installing applications, watching videos, and completing surveys. It's really that simple. I don't want to overcomplicate this one. You can also even refer this out to your friends and family on Facebook via SMS, however you want to get the message out, but you can earn up to 50 points for every install. It looks like doing that as well. It's a great way to earn some extra free Bitcoin. Moving on here, and coming in at our number 2 spot, we have this search engine, literally a search engine, you guys, just like Google, called presearch.org. And what you do on this website is just search for things like you normally would, just if you were to go to google.com and run a search. And actually what's happening on this website is you're actually searching Google. If you notice right here, you can select different search engines to search. So if we select Google, which is actually selected by default, and run a search, let's just do this actually just for example right here. We'll type Chad Bennett live into search, and we had Google selected, and we're gonna hit enter. And what it's going to do is run a search like it normally would. It's going to take a second right here because it's showing you a little ad, but then they're going to direct you right back to Google, just like you had selected. And you can see here, we found my YouTube channel right there, just like we were searching for. But the only difference is that we got paid for running this search. So every search that you run on the internet, if you use pre-search as your default browser, you need to set this as your default browser and run your searches through here. You can get paid a cryptocurrency called pre-search coins, I believe they're called, and you can start running up a balance right here and start changing that into different cryptocurrencies and buying things with that. And now coming in at our number 1 spot, yes, you guys, I saved the best for last. We have CryptoTab Browser. If you don't know what that is, it's simply a web browser that mines cryptocurrency in the background, specifically Bitcoin. So how does it work? You're simply going to download CryptoTab Browser and swap it out for whatever browser that you're using, right? You want to make CryptoTab Browser your default browser. So if you're using Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, you're now going to download CryptoTab Browser and start using this. Now, CryptoTab Browser looks and functions and feels mostly like Google Chrome. So if you're familiar with using Google Chrome, it's going to look and feel just like that. It's very hard to tell the difference. The only difference is that CryptoTab Browser is using a portion of your computer's resources to actually go out there and mine Bitcoins in the background, and you're earning literally free Bitcoin for just browsing the web and doing things that you would normally do on your browser every single day anyways, not having to put in any extra effort, and you're earning free Bitcoin because now you're turning your PC, your device, into a crypto mining machine. Very, very simple. They even have applications that you can get on the Google Play Store as well as the Apple App Store and turn your mobile devices into this as well. Very, very simple. Now, if you really want to blow this up, I'm going to share this with you as well because it's so simple and it's a way to really explode CryptoTab Browser. Because without getting into too much detail here, you guys, and trying to sell you guys on this and get into too much detail, all you got to do is share this with your friends and family. If you share it with up to 5 people, and you can toggle this thing right here, but let's just say we shared this with 5 people, and those friends shared CryptoTab Browser with their 5 friends, and this went 10 layers deep. Assuming this went 10 layers deep, every 5 people did this. If we calculated our income, you can see here that you would earn $40,636, roughly 5.70 Bitcoin, just for sharing this with friends and family, and their friends and family sharing it with 5 people. You can see this in the diagram that they have right here. Very simple to do, and easy way to start earning some extra income. And they have all kinds of different marketing material and make it very simple at the click of a button to share this with your friends and family. There you have it, everybody. That is my top 5 recommendations to earn free Bitcoin online, you guys. Very, very simply. A lot of these things take little to no effort at all. You might as well deploy them and start earning yourself free Bitcoin so that you can secure your financial future. By the way, if you want to do something similar to what I'm doing online and you want to, start your own online business and scale it through the roof, then you need to get started today checking out my number 1 recommendation directly beneath this video. It's the first link in the description. That is exactly where I was a year ago today, where I was trying to make a decision as to what I wanted to do to secure my financial future and my family's financial future and grow a business literally that could create an income for me and my family for years to come. And I'm talking about passive income, you guys, where you work from home with flexible hours when you have time. If you want to work from anywhere in the world and really grow an online business that creates you real financial freedom, you need to check that out. and I've left that down in the top of the description of this video. That's all I have for you guys today on this one. I will see you on the next one. Peace.